Instead of just building land robots, we can build ROV that goes under the water. And the point of that is so the students could design, so they each have an engineering design notebook that they need to sketch out their plan, and then they start building. They build their ROV, and then we go to the big pool once they've built the obstacle course and the mission. So not only do they build their ROV, but they also build the entire course that they practice on.
So the idea is the sea perch will open the door, we'll go through it and then close it, or in any sense, or we'll pick up balls and bring it back to the surface. That way we can test if the sea perch actually works on the water or if we need to make some changes.
And that's the beauty of this, is that we get to work with the NJROTC students. Eventually, if we have majority NJROTC, the Navy will fund some of what we do. And they've already provided some of the supplies. A couple of grams of adding metal to the rover, it starts to tilt.
Sea perch is one of my passions. I've been doing it for a long time. I've worked on my ROV design for a very long time. I've learned a lot more about the actual science of how it goes into it, like what affects the ROV in the water, like the salinity affects how the rover runs, the depth of the pool, the size of the pool, everything affects how it works. It helps me see a reasoning behind what I'm learning.
Everything that's behind me, we build it ourselves. We have to find the pieces, we follow instructions, we learn many stuff during the process. And it's been, frankly, it's been an amazing experience.